Hey everyone, welcome back to Car Garage Zone. Today we're reviewing one of the most practical, efficient, and popular commuter motorcycles of 2026, the Honda CG160, and in the next 4 minutes, I'll take you through everything you need to know: design, engine and performance, comfort and tech, safety, fuel economy, and price in dollars. Let's ride. When you first see the 2026 Honda CG160, you'll notice it keeps that classic commuter bike silhouette that millions of riders trust: simple, durable, and instantly recognizable. It's been refreshed for 2026 with updated colors and minor refinements while still staying true to its practical DNA. Whether you're riding to work, school, or running errands around town, this bike looks clean, functional, and ready for everyday life. Under the fuel tank, the CG160 is powered by a 162.7cc single-cylinder air-cooled engine that produces around 14.7 horsepower, enough punch for confident city riding and light highway cruising, paired with a 5-speed gearbox that keeps shifting smooth and effortless. The chassis sits on a diamond-type frame with telescopic front forks and twin rear shock absorbers, delivering a balanced and stable ride whether you're cruising slow in the city or cruising faster on open roads. One of the coolest updates on the 2026 model is the fully digital instrument cluster, something modern riders really appreciate. It displays your speed, gear position, fuel level, trip meter, and even a Type-C charging port location right on screen, making life easier and safer behind the handlebars. The bike also comes with alloy wheels and usually a front disc brake paired with a rear drum brake with combined braking system (CBS), giving you smooth stopping performance in everyday conditions. In terms of comfort and practicality, the CG160 is excellent for daily use. The seat and ergonomics are designed for upright riding, making traffic easier and long rides less tiring. The fuel tank capacity is around 14 liters, which helps deliver long range between fill-ups. Riders in some markets report up to 630 kilometers of range thanks to the combo of tank and efficient engine. Tech and safety are basic but solid here, focused on real-world rideability rather than flashy extras. The digital meter gives you clear info, the CBS brake system helps reduce sudden wheel lockups for safer stops, and the lights, especially on higher trims, are now LED for better visibility during night rides. Now let's talk fuel economy, one of the biggest reasons riders love the CG series. Thanks to its efficient engine and lightweight frame, the CG160 returns very good mileage, often around 35 to 40 km/h or more in mixed riding, which translates into low running costs and high daily reliability. And of course, the part many of you are curious about, the price in dollars. While exact prices depend on where you live, here's a good benchmark based on Brazilian launch figures, where this model is very popular. Moneybag 2026 Honda CG160 start base approximately 16,770 Brazilian reals, $3,200 USD. Moneybag mid and higher trims Fan, Titan, Cargo prices range up to around 19,910 Brazilian reals, $3,800 USD, depending on version and features. Keep in mind that prices vary with local taxes, duties, and dealer fees, so in some countries the final number could be higher. But overall this positions the Honda CG160 as a very affordable, value-packed commuter bike compared to many rivals in the 150 to 160cc segment. So here's the bottom line: the 2026 Honda CG160 is a reliable, fuel-efficient, and practical motorcycle perfect for daily commuting, city traffic, and long rides on a budget. It keeps Honda's legacy of durability and simplicity alive while adding modern touches like a digital dash, LED lighting on higher trims, and better suspension. Feel: would you pick the CG160 for your daily ride, or go for something sportier like a Honda CB or Yamaha FZ? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this review, smash that like button, subscribe to Car Garage Zone, and share this video with your biking friends. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more motorcycle reviews right here.